Dictation will be started in 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, in the course of his reply, the Honorable Minister referred to some of the remarks made on the 18th while replying to the question number 4, and he said that his remarks were misunderstood by some of the members. Stop. Sir, I really admire my honorable friend for making a reference to it, but if I say that some ministers in the Council of Ministers at the center are wise, how you will take it? Question mark. Of course, in his buoyancy, he made that statement. I do not know whether he really insisted it, but it only meant that some members in the opposition are wise and some are foolish. Stop. Of course, taken in a lighter vein, it means nothing, but I think such a statement as a whole could have been avoided. Stop. Now, sir, I welcome some of the statements made by him, and I submit that in April the vacancies were 64 and in July the vacancies were 67. Stop. According to his own analysis of the disease of errors and pendency of cases in the Supreme Court and in the High Courts, the judge strength was less and therefore this backlog is there. Stop. New para start. Now the pendency as on 31st December 1987 was 5.5 lakhs. Stop. It has now exceeded 6 lakhs. Stop. On that day in the Delhi High Court, the pendency was 2000 odd. Stop. Now the pendency is over 25,000. Stop. The sanctioned strength of the Delhi High Court is 18 permanent judges and 3 additional judges. Stop. The Delhi High Court has 5 service judges, out of whom 2 are from outside. Stop. In principle, I have no objection to judges being brought from other states. Stop. But of the 5 service judges, at least 2 are to be from outside. Stop. That means 3 are from Delhi. Stop. The judges from the subordinate judiciary do not get any chance of promotion. Stop. I have worked out it and I find that promotion is given to only about 40% of the judges from the service cadre. Stop. New para. Therefore, they do not have the necessary incentive. Stop. I think something has to be done in this regard also to give proper incentives to the judges from the subordinate judiciary. Stop. If among the subordinate judiciary there are efficient and competent people. Stop. They should be promoted as High Court judges. Stop. Of course, it will boost the morale of these judges. Stop.